Okay.
That was quite the chaotic morning.
We are going to Lake Naivasha for the next couple nights. We're going to camp and we're going to bike around. So we had to ratchet strap and figure out, well, I didn't figure out. Aaron's and Evan's figured out how to put bikes on the back of the car.
We'll see if anything falls off. 50-50.
Apparently we're stopping to weld on the way.
So hopefully nothing breaks. Well, let's go.
Anyways, yeah, let's go. We're gonna all get along, we're gonna sing Kumbaya, but we're off.
I guess we'll come back after another hour or so and then she'll be done.
Should have taken the smaller piece. Loud noise, so we might have to leave you in a lane outside the gates.
Most likely possible.
We're finally here after about 3, are we there yet? And 2 hours. And
Wasn't too bad.
Because I didn't know we were
wasn't
going
that bad.
in the water.
Near death.
Kyler's hiding right there. That is their oldest child.
No, I am not the oldest child.
He is. He's hiding. You'll see him later.
This place is super cool so far. We're camping, so we have our tents that we're about to get set up. We got a nice one with an overcast, and there's just some monkeys literally walking by.
Oh, wait, you found a pig. What in the world?
There's also, the lake is literally right there, so hippos and other animals could technically come up, but there's an electric fence, so we're okay. But we're gonna set up our tents and then go for a boat ride.
Lucky night. That's a wild Kyler in his natural habitat.
No!
Gotcha! That tent setting up was
It's a little epic.
epic.
Fun.
That wasn't the word that came to my mind, but... And then we got sandwiches. And we gotta hurry because we gotta go catch a boat.
Catch a boat. We heard a hippo over here somewhere. So I kind of walked a little over here to see if I could see something, but I think it's in the green bush over. Did I just hear it again? I don't know. It's freakishly close. So it's kind of scary because they're very dangerous. We can hear it. Somewhere over there.
I hear it.
Okay, so I don't want to get too close, but I see it right here, staring at it. I asked Chelsea if I should go on the dock to see him, and she said, I don't know. It's okay. Okay, I think this is as close as I want to get to them. But this is how far I am. And there they are. Oh, there's more over there. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. I see 2 more. But I don't know where this one went. So that's what makes me nervous. Oh, there he is.
We're gonna go ride in a boat amongst where we just saw all the hippos. Hopefully it ends well.
Oh, yeah. Who are you sitting with?
And we're off.
I'm and we're being dramatic.
Always.
More drama to come.
There it is.
Oh, there's so many right there.
Oh, and look at that pool right over there.
I don't think so.
Look, it's just right there!
Headed to Crescent Island. Just
Oh, gosh!
There's a hippo mostly out of water. I don't actually see it. Those are 2 hippos. They're sitting on top of a house that is now submerged. We have arrived at Crescent Island. There is supposedly some animals on the island and we can walk around. So that's what we're gonna do. This is the closest we've been to an ostrich so far. But apparently ostriches, before they mate, they dance for each other. And Aaron doesn't ever dance for me. So, there's that.
The ostrich that are blue. The male will the Maasai and the Maasai ostrich, the skin are pink.
They made
They?
how they made.
Yeah.
It's a baby zebra.
Come in, Justice. Come in. Yeah. Do you see it, buddy?
So the body of the
Just casually strolling by a zebra.
That is a hyena bite. So it appears that there are hyenas out here. Stay in a group, y'all.
Each hyena is roaming around, but apparently they're nocturnal, so we should be okay. Unless we get stuck here overnight.
We're good. We just have to be faster than the last person.
Yeah.
cocktail animal.
Wildebeests now. So apparently the wildebeests are in the ugly 5, along with vultures, hyenas, warthogs, and some other animal that I don't recognize. But it's a whole thing, the ugly 5, going off trail, off-roading.
And these are gazelles.
There's giraffes right here, supposedly. Oh, I see him now. There's a baby. The mama's watching the baby just walk up the hill.
Baby number 1.
Oh, there's such a big one down there.
Oh my gosh. Ostrich just came up over my shoulder. I was filming the giraffes. Freaked me out. Oh my gosh. What do I do? Are you freaking out?
I don't trust it.
You're walking. You're putting me between you and the
No, no, no. It's coming for you.
So that's where the boat is.
I think I'm almost as tall as it.
You're not almost as tall as the giraffe. I thought the ostrich was gonna attack us.
So
Our
are
guide
we
said it was
walking straight
peaceful,
through
but I don't
Yeah,
believe
we are
it.
going this way.
Okay. Look at the camera.
This was super cool. We did the safari before, and we're doing more safaris. But you're not like right just walking with the animals, so that's why this was super cool. But Crescent Island, Lake Naivasha. We're just gonna go back, probably chill the rest of the night, make some food,
Listen to hippos.
listen to hippos.
Sorry.
We're gonna go back though.
Thank you. Bye.
You did it!
Yeah, boy.
Yes. Okay. So the gate is closed. We have to wait for security because they electrify it at night so the hippos don't cross into our tents.
Can Evans jump it?
Please don't.
I might hurt my other leg, but
Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna end well.
no,
He did it. He touched it, but he did it.
I did it. It's just my butt.
Electrified.
Huh?
Just an electrified butt.
I just put.
There's a hippo out of water. I'm trying to find him.
Are they fair? Are these people?
Right where we're standing, that they sometimes sleep, and even right out here where we're staying, they're gonna come out and sleep out there. So usually if we wake up at 7 o'clock, we should see them right out there. So more to come. More to come.